Now imagine pouring 2 bottles of 5W30 into 2 identical engines, and 10,000 miles later, one engine is wearing out almost twice as fast. Most drivers think oil labels tell the whole story, but the truth hiding inside these bottles is way more interesting, and honestly, a little surprising. Because today we're putting two of the most popular full synthetic oils head-to-head, Mobil 1 Extended Performance and Pennzoil Platinum. Both claim premium protection, both say full synthetic, but under real heat, pressure, and thousands of combustion cycles, they start behaving very differently. And before we finish, I'm going to show you the one hidden number that actually predicts which oil lasts longer, something most people never check. Here's the first thing most drivers get wrong. When you see 5W30 on the label, it doesn't mean the oils are the same. It only sets a minimum and maximum thickness range. What really matters is what happens to that oil after thousands of miles of heat, fuel dilution, and microscopic metal contact. Inside an engine, oil isn't just lubricating. It's fighting evaporation, neutralizing acids, preventing sludge, and forming a protective film between metal parts moving thousands of times per minute. And this is where Mobil 1 and Pennzoil start taking very different engineering approaches. Let's start with the foundation of the oil itself, because this is where the story begins to get interesting. Most people hear full synthetic and assume it's one type of oil. It isn't. These oils are built from different chemical families. Mobil 1 Extended Performance has historically blended a portion of PAO, chemically engineered molecules designed for stability under extreme heat. Think of it like perfectly uniform building blocks that resist breaking down over time. Pennzoil Platinum takes a completely different route. It uses Shell's gas-to-liquid base oil, created from natural gas through a process that removes impurities almost entirely. The result is an incredibly clean base oil that flows exceptionally well, especially in cold conditions. So right away, we have two premium strategies. Mobil 1 focuses on long-term durability. Pennzoil focuses on ultra-clean, ultra-pure base oil chemistry. But here's where things start to separate in real testing. When independent analysts compared base oil stability using compiled lab reports, Mobil 1 Extended Performance consistently scored higher in overall resistance to evaporation and oxidation. That means over very long oil change intervals, it tends to maintain its structure slightly better. And that difference starts showing up where it matters most, engine wear. Now here's something most people never see. In laboratory wear testing, engineers measure how well oil protects metal under extreme pressure. Imagine 4 steel balls pressed together with oil between them, simulating the stress inside an engine. The smaller the wear mark, the stronger the oil's protection. Mobil 1 Extended Performance typically produces wear scars around the high 30-micron range. Pennzoil Platinum comes in slightly higher depending on formulation. The difference isn't huge, but it's consistent. And when we move from labs to real engines, the pattern becomes clearer. Used oil analysis reports from thousands of engines show Mobil 1 samples often returning slightly lower iron wear numbers after long intervals. Not dramatically lower, but enough to suggest the anti-wear system is optimized for extended drains. So what's causing that? This is where additives come into play, and most drivers never realize how much chemistry is inside a bottle of oil. Both oils rely on zinc and phosphorus compounds to form a protective anti-wear layer, but Mobil 1 Extended Performance often carries slightly higher levels within regulatory limits. That means a bit more sacrificial protection when metal parts start touching under extreme load. Pennzoil, on the other hand, leans more heavily on friction modifiers like molybdenum. In many lab analyses, Pennzoil actually contains more of it. So one oil emphasizes long-term wear resistance, the other focuses on reducing friction and keeping engines incredibly clean, which leads us to something Pennzoil is famous for: deposit control. If you've ever opened an engine with heavy sludge, you know how destructive it can be. Deposits restrict oil flow, trap heat, and slowly damage internal components. Pennzoil Platinum performs extremely well here. In many used oil reports, insoluble contamination stays extremely low, which means its detergent system is doing its job. And that's likely why Pennzoil advertises cleaner pistons. In high-temperature testing, its formulation excels at preventing carbon buildup. But here's where things get really interesting, especially if you drive a turbocharged engine. Turbochargers are brutal on oil. Temperatures inside turbo bearings can exceed 260 degrees Celsius. At those levels, weaker oils break down quickly and leave carbon deposits behind. In real-world analysis databases, Mobil 1 Extended Performance tends to maintain its viscosity slightly more consistently under long, high-heat intervals. That suggests its oxidation resistance gives it a small advantage in extreme heat environments. Now let's talk about something that directly affects your wallet: oil consumption. This is controlled by volatility, which measures how much oil evaporates at high temperature. The higher the evaporation, the more oil disappears from your engine over time. Mobil 1 Extended Performance typically sits around the 10% range in volatility testing. Pennzoil Platinum lands very close, sometimes slightly lower depending on the batch. In other words, both are excellent here, but neither dominates completely. And that's the theme of this entire comparison. These oils aren't dramatically different, but their strengths show up in specific situations. But there's one number most drivers overlook that tells us how long an oil can truly survive inside an engine. It's called TBN, or total base number. Think of it as the oil's ability to fight acid buildup from combustion gases. Once that reserve runs out, the oil starts losing its ability to protect the engine. Mobil 1 Extended Performance usually starts with a slightly higher TBN, and more importantly, tends to retain it longer over extended intervals. In some used oil analyses, it still has healthy reserves even after 12 to 15,000 miles. Pennzoil Platinum performs well too, but its reserve tends to drop a little faster in similar conditions. Which brings us to the big question most viewers clicked for: which oil is actually better? The honest answer depends on how you drive. If you're running very long oil change intervals or pushing your engine hard, especially in turbocharged vehicles, Mobil 1 Extended Performance often shows a slight edge in wear protection and long-term stability. But if your priority is ultra-clean engine internals, excellent cold start flow, and strong deposit control, Pennzoil Platinum is incredibly impressive and sometimes even flows better in extreme cold. In reality, both are among the best oils available to everyday drivers. But understanding how they're engineered helps you choose the right one for your engine, instead of just trusting the label. Because the biggest myth in motor oil is that all synthetics are the same. They're not. And in the next video, we're going to test something even more surprising: what happens when a cheap oil is pushed beyond its limits against a premium synthetic in real engines over thousands of miles. Most people assume they know the result, but the data tells a very different story.